Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another excited, I think, DIY video. This is my first one that I decide to participate in something that I have never done before. It's called Look for Less, and the host of this channel is the lovely lady Latina next door, and her co-host is Linda from Faith Chick 777. I saw this video, Latina next door. Her name is Yami. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I'm following her and this other lady, Linda, for a while, and I saw she did this announcement for a challenge or collab, whatever you want to call it, and we have to create something that we have seen. We have to put the picture, which I will do, and I saw this thing at the Hobby Lobby. As you guys know, if you don't, I live in Texas, and I decide, this thing was like $40. I'll post on the screen how much it was, and then when I saw her collab invitation for recreate for a lot less, I jumped on it because I thought, well, I can do that, and it was a really good challenge myself, and I think I did pretty good, but you guys can be a judge of that. So I will post two pictures, and this is what I have made. I saw this picture, you'll see on the screen. It was almost $39.99 at the Hobby Lobby, and this one I made for $6 because all I did, I bought these two boards at the Walmart, and they was $3 each, and both of them had this I guess like a rope attached to it, and the picture that I saw at the Hobby Lobby didn't have it, but I decided to keep mine because I want to hang it. So I want to hang it on the wall. So anyway, if you don't know or haven't met those two lovely ladies, all the information will be in the description below. Please go check it out. You will be amazed how much cool DIY crafts, all kinds of projects they do. I love both of their channels, and along with the playlist who is participating in this challenge. So anyway, all right guys, if you would like to know how I made this amazing sign for only $6, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project, I got two wooden planks. I'm gonna take it off, and I'm trying to recreate the picture that I showed you right in front. I'll post it in a little above, and I took one off already. It had a rope on this one as well, so I took it off, and now I'm gonna take this one off and this one, but I'm gonna keep this even though that's not in the picture, but I kind of want to keep it because I want to hang my sign in. So then we're gonna paint it, and it's a dark purple. So I couldn't find the dark purple. I'm gonna mix blue, red, and black, and trying to make it dark purple. And in addition, I will be using the Gorilla Glue, wood glue, to glue these two pieces together. So I'm gonna paint them first, then glue, and then we'll show you what's the next step is. Okay, so the board is dried and looks like Gorilla Glue worked just fine when I glued it on the middle. Just a word of advice, guys, if you the first time using Gorilla Glue like I did, it says 20 to 30 minutes and it will be fine. No, it's really not. I give it almost 24 hours and now it looks like it's fine. So what I will be doing for now, I'm gonna outline this printout of a Texas with my marker, and then I'm gonna use the white paint to get it all white. So then we'll let it dry, and then hopefully I can get all the letters on the middle. So let's get started working on that. Okay, so it is all dried. Nice. Okay. I did a couple of coats. Probably would be okay to do one more, but I think it looks good enough. Now I cut up all the letters, kind of made my own stencils, and I'm gonna try, see if I can mess it up real good, but I'm gonna try. Place them right, trace them with the marker, and then color it. So Okay, so that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as you could tell, it wasn't that difficult. I did had some struggles with the letters because I did my own stencils, and it was I was a little nervous, so my hands were shaking when I was putting it, but I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm glad I did it, because when I saw it was my inspiration from that picture that I saw at the Hobby Lobby, and I'm like, I want one. I want to make one, but I really don't want to pay $40 for, you know, something that could be $6. Anyway, that was all for today. Thank you so much, lovely ladies, for creating this open challenge. Always, I really enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed my video, and if you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And before you exit out, go in the description box and check out the playlist that we got it going with all the people who participated. And if you don't want to see the playlist, at least go check out those two ladies that are hosting this amazing collab. You will not be disappointed. But for me, that was all for today. Please be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one real soon with another DIY or amazing craft. Bye.